My name is Oliver Bloomfield. I'm the Managing Director of Specialised Tyre and Wheel, or STW. We're a family-owned and operated business. Father started the business in the early 2000s. We supply custom and specialised wheel sets for tractors and machinery for off-highway use. We have a fully operational production facility in Perth, whereby we manufacture wheels for various applications. One of our strengths is our ability to deliver with speed. Farmers need to respond to environmental conditions very fast. We have an ability to manufacture and deliver so that the farmers don't have downtime. We've done this here through building the wheels locally here in Australia. We can help them build a stronger bottom line for our customers, which is one of our core values, is being customer-centric. Through partnerships that we have with logistics providers, we can deliver to customers countrywide, from the far north Queensland to Tasmania and everywhere in between, at industry-leading lead times. We've been able to achieve this by investing in Smart Shop Floor through Core IT. Their system helps us to deliver consistently well above industry expectations.
So implementation with Smart Shop with Maya was remarkably simple. Now we have both systems as one single source of truth. As soon as a job is entered into Exonet, it's immediately entered into Smart Shop Floor, which then gives us traceability right from the start. We were chasing our tail trying to deliver a standard set of wheels in as early as 8 weeks. Some cases, subject to stock, was getting pushed out for a couple of months, 3 months. Now with Smart Shop and the visual aspect that we can see and follow the job through production, we've been able to cut our lead times right back to a minimum of 2 weeks, with now the standard becoming more like a 5 to 7 working day. Another aspect that I'd like to highlight is we've seen an improvement in safety. It's got rid of a lot of environmental hazards throughout the production. Everybody knows what they need to do. Everybody's in their bay, in their zone, working on their job because they have all what they need right there on their tablet. From an operational level, getting custom job builds through to invoicing after delivery has been a challenge. We've implemented an inventory capture in Smart Shop through our picking stages. So as the employee in picking is picking the items, the rims, the blank rims and the blank discs, they are at that point selecting the item exact what they've picked. That is uploaded to our BOM automatically within Exonet. So when it comes through to invoicing, our BOMs are already built. All the consumables, all the items, the stock you've used, plus all your labour, is all automatically built in our bill of materials. So when it gets through to invoicing, it's simply a matter of an admin person checking and sending the invoice off, and with complete accuracy.
I have a dashboard live on one screen that enables me to see the regular hourly updates on where things are progressing along. For example, right now it's telling me how many capacity hours I've got for the week based on the current roster in Smart Shop Floor. It's telling me how many hours there are across the week that are accounted for versus unaccounted for. So sitting at 0.25 hours per week at the moment. How amazing is that? The best one for me is that it clocks the overtime. And at the moment, for financial year to date, we've only done 9 hours overtime. So for me, that is a massive win from a HR perspective because I'm not overworking my employees. It keeps our pricing nice and in line so that we're not having to hit customers up with the additional costs of having to deal with us being over capacity and not being able to deliver, because the work functions being the primary focus of the employee as opposed to administrative side processes. All those other little downtime, uptime elements that would normally interfere in a paper-based system are completely gone.
Smart Shop Floor has assisted us in maintaining our customer-centric approach and having our single source of truth and automating our processes. We've been able to achieve this through the transparency that Smart Shop Floor provides to our customers, whereby they can track the progress of their job through our production facility, right through the delivery process, right to their door.